Hello, my name is Ashley. I'm going to be talking about my web presence and my personal brand today, and in order to do that, I'm going to walk you guys through the digital portfolio that I've created. So in my digital portfolio, you'll see many links to my social media, including my Instagram and my Twitter, and then you will also see the link to my LinkedIn account, and also my contact information, which will help you learn a lot of information about me, including my interests, academics, hobbies, and more. This site is going to highlight a lot of my successes and accomplishments throughout my life and my future goals, and I'm hoping to give you more of an insight to who I am. So you can see at the bottom here is my email. This is the best way to get in touch with me. Check it daily, so I've just included that in many different places throughout this. So let's start out with a little bit about me. So like I said, my name is Ashley Kaw. I am 19 years old and I've lived in Ronkonkoma, New York for my whole life. I attend Stony Brook University. I'm a commuter student and I'm about to enter my sophomore year. I intend to get my bachelor's degree in business management, and I currently work at Sobel in Ronkonkoma. I've been employed there for almost 3 years now. I enjoy traveling when I can, spending lots of time with my family and exploring new foods. I try to keep a very active social life. I think that's important to balance school and work and your social life. I think that makes for a more well-rounded person, so I do try and do that. I've included some pictures of me from graduation, from where I work, and Stony Brook, just some things that represent me. To move on to my academics, I graduated from Sachem North High School in 2019. I ranked top 25% of my class of over 500 students, I believe, that I graduated with. A very big school. I had a weighted GPA of a 3.92 when I graduated high school, and then I went on to attend Stony Brook University, and I will be in the class of 2023. I'm a current U2 standing, so I'm going into my sophomore year. I have a cumulative GPA of a 3.01, and my last semester's GPA was a 3.3. I intend to graduate with my bachelor's degree, as I did state, possibly going on to get my MBA. I do take my academic life very seriously. I'm a full-time student, and I work part-time. So to talk about my work a little bit, I work at Sobel in Ronkonkoma and Hauppauge. I've worked there since 2017. I am currently the general manager of 2 Sobel locations. My responsibilities there include making a schedule, managing a staff of over 30 people, working shifts of my own, hiring and training new employees, certain payroll things. I have lots of administrative tasks I've been starting to take on to get a little bit more experience. I'm a very driven person work-wise. I have very strong leadership skills. I hope to learn more about the world of entrepreneurship. I do want to own my own small businesses or franchises one day. So Sobel really is a great experience for me. I basically have learned to run the store. I could say with complete confidence I could probably own a store at this point. I know the inside and out to that store like crazy, so I do work quite a bit to get into my career goals a little bit, since that does kind of tie in with my current job. I do things a little bit untraditionally. I do go to school, and my degree is very important to me, and I also work, and I'm working on my career goals as I go to school. I'm not the type of person that really wants to wait. I think I could do it all at once, so I do plan to open small businesses and franchises of my own in the near future. I'm exposed to many opportunities in management and working partnerships in my current job, so while earning my degree, I expect to partner with my current boss on new stores and eventually open stores of my own. Different ways I plan to achieve my goal is becoming a working partner within the franchises with my boss. So a working partner would invest their time to the stores opposed to investing money, which would be a really good start for me since I am a student paying for school. This is a really great way to kind of get my foot in the door. I've made a lot of connections within Sobel with the CEO and the president of the company. It's a really great small company that's been growing and growing and growing, and I've kind of been there since the start. So that's kind of my way into the whole world of entrepreneurship. Earning my degree in business management will just kind of further these connections, and kind of just having that education background will kind of be able to place me one step above everyone else. hopefully. So basically everything I'm doing right now kind of ties in together, and instead of traditionally going to college, finding a job, I'm trying to do it all at once, which hopefully works out, and hopefully by the time I graduate I would actually have a store of my own. Just to move on to some more of my contact information, I have my Twitter handle here, which is @callashley, my email, which is ashleycall412@gmail.com, my Instagram, which is @ashleycall, and then my LinkedIn link. All these things, if you go on my Twitter or my Instagram, you do get a more like personal view of me and my social life, along with my Twitter has a lot of different information about me. My email is definitely the best way to get in touch with me. And my LinkedIn is something I'm pretty new to, so I'm just kind of getting my LinkedIn started. I hope to make more professional connections with LinkedIn. And yeah, so that's pretty much my web presence and my brand and a little bit about me. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.